Welcome to our next product check. Today we are showcasing the brand new Spofec Rolls-Royce Spectre Black Badge, and it has a V12. And that V stands for volt because it's still a full electric vehicle. And we have a 12-volt battery in the back, so let's go.
Run.
Okay guys, once again we fitted our 24-inch SP4 wheels, the forged ones, what we presented to you last time on the Cullinan video. As well as our completely carbon package, what also includes a new front spoiler lip, carbon inserts with integrated LEDs, carbon side skirts, a sporty carbon rear lip, what fits also to the form of the trunk, and 4 carbon fins on the diffuser, giving the car much more aggressive look at the rear end. We also installed our lowering kit on this car, what brings the car around 3 centimeters lower to the ground, what you see here. And now let me give you 12,000 reasons to love this car, because we have stars in the interior everywhere. We have them on the roof, we have them in the doors, and also on the dashboard, what is absolutely breathtaking. All right, so let me know what you think about this car, and especially about the stars, because I am totally in love with that. And if you liked that video, please feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and let us know in the comments everything what you don't like and like about the car. And now we will show you some car-to-car shots, and hope you enjoyed this. Let's go.